Machinery Emporium was found in 1970. For AceMicromatic machine, we sell both CNC lathe and machining center. Actually, both is really popular in Thailand, and it's really competitive. We have been partnered with Ace for over 20 years now. We have visited their company a couple of times. We also bring many of our customers to visit the company to see the facility. Okay, from my experience working with Ace, I think they are really professional. For example, when we have a question, Ace just not gonna just randomly answer. They will ask you for all the detail, all the fact to ensure that, whatever, the question we have or, whatever the solution they provided, it can be done. For Ace machine, I think for us, the reason we choose Ace as our partner, and we want to provide Ace machine to Thai manufacturing because we think Ace machine is really competitive, and the quality wise, I think it's comparing to like other manufacturer in other country that we have partnered with or we have visited them or audit the company. I think Ace is really reliable in terms of the facility, the factory. They done everything in-house. Or even like a small part such as or important part like spindle, they do it in-house, so we can be sure that the quality is there. We have worked with like a Taiwanese company. Mostly they just do assembly the machine, so they will buy part from like different company and then assemble it together. So when there's a problem with the machine, sometimes it's really difficult to identify what is the actual problem. For the after sales service, actually we have a very close contact with Ace. They have a special window for all of our customers. We can contact them and they get back with us within 24 hours. Also, they have provided us like a spare part for all the major part that we can replace immediately for the customer to ensure that we have a quick delivery and quick service. Okay, so I think it's been really pleasant experience for us and our customer. So for the technical support, what we do for our customer, normally when the customer purchasing the machine, we help them identify which machine is more suitable for them, or we help them select to ensure that they don't overbuy the machine like in terms of capacity wise. We ensure that whatever they invested, they get the return. So we also support them in terms of training, okay, and then preventive maintenance that their own technical or their own technician can do their own maintenance, before they call us for the repair. I would suggest people, because from our experience, we've been working with them over 20 years, and we can we can guarantee that the machine is really reliable. And many of our customers still using Ace machine up until today that they purchased the machine 20 years ago. So I think it's a really reliable machine with a good design. Yeah, so for the future, we think we will continue doing business with Ace and partner with them to support our customer in Thailand. But from our experience working with them closely, we know that they have developed. I think this is what really reliable about AceMicromatic. So in the future, I think more and more people will be interested in Indian machine as Indian is becoming a superpower or like the leading country. And then I think the experience of our current customer themselves that they have been using the machine for over 20 years without the major problem. I think that's already show that the machine is reliable.